Yes, class. So we are going to start. Just a minute. Yes, class. So हम start करें आज अपनी class and we are going to learn something other than the previous lectures we have started. Okay. So what we are gonna do? Let's see. अच्छा क्लास हम क्या करने वाले हैं आज हम देखेंगे हाउ टू थिंक इन इंग्लिश बिकॉज थिंकिंग इन इंग्लिश इज़ रियली इम्पॉर्टेंट. अच्छा थिंकिंग क्यों कहा यहाँ पर मतलब वाई यू नो द रीज़न इज़ दैट द थिंग इज़ दैट कि क्लास सम पीपल से दैट कि यू कैन जस्ट थिंक इन उर्दू एंड आफ्टर दैट ट्रांसलेट in English and after that you can speak. But this is not a good approach because when you think in Urdu and after that you translate in English, so the thing is that you need a lot of time for that, and while speaking with somebody you don't have much time. You will have to give the quick replies. Okay, so for that you will have to just think in English and after that just speaking in English, just like that. When we think usually, so we think in Urdu. ओके सो जस्ट लाइक दैट जब आप इंग्लिश में बात कर रहे हैं तो यू विल हैव टू थिंक इन इंग्लिश टू. ठीक है, सो इसके लिए कुछ टिप्स हैं व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू हेयर. सो द थिंग इज दैट फर्स्ट लर्न एंड प्रैक्टिस चंक्स. क्लास चंक्स क्या होते हैं? जैसे चिकन के पीसेस जो सैलड वगैरह में डाले जाते हैं, कुछ सैलड्स बनती हैं ना ऐसी इटालियन या फिर डिफरेंट और स्टफ़ की जो सैलड्स बनती हैं उनको चंक्स कहते हैं. ठीक है, या फिर चंक्स और भी चीज़ों में यूज़ हो सकते हैं, मतलब इट रिलेट्स विद द फूड. बट क्या है यहाँ पर हम वर्ड्स की बात करें तो हम यहाँ पर देखेंगे कि लर्न एंड प्रैक्टिस चंक्स. दैट मीन्स कि स्मॉल वर्ड्स, सेंटेंसेस, ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स. ठीक है, सो सिद्रा वालेकुम अस्सलाम. आई एम गुड, थैंक यू सो मच. खदीजा यस अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह आई एम गुड. ओके, अच्छा और क्या क्वेश्चन हुआ मुझसे? अच्छा, it's our second last class and after that class when we will be meeting on 13th of March, so it will be our last class. ठीक है, okay. So class, यहाँ पर you are watching three words: smartphone, train and airplane. Let's take smartphone. अगर हम कहते हैं smartphone तो हम क्या कहेंगे? An expensive smartphone. ठीक है, दिस इज़ अ चंक बिकॉज हमने कुछ वर्ड्स यूज़ किए और उसके साथ मिला के उसको बना दिया. ठीक है, जस्ट लाइक दैट एन एक्सपेंसिव स्मार्टफोन, एन एंड्रॉयड स्मार्टफोन, माई स्मार्टफोन, अ ब्लू कलर स्मार्टफोन. यू नो डिफरेंट और अदर वर्ड्स हम यूज़ कर सकते हैं या फिर आप कोई सेंटेंस भी बना सकते हैं. दिस इज़ माई स्मार्टफोन, दिस इज़ ऑल्सो you know a type of chunk you can use. Okay, when we talk about train, so what can be the chunks we made here? Okay, so who is going to tell me just like that कि आप ट्रेन से क्या बना सकते हैं? आप कह सकते हैं an electric train. और क्या बोलेंगे? Okay, mics are on, you can just speak up. An electric train, a bullet train, and
my favorite train.
okay, you can say a train compartment, a train engine, the fastest train, the Pakistani train. There are many
Moving train.
chunks. Moving train, very good. Okay, so there are many chunks you can make. After that, airplane. So what chunks we can make with that?
सबसे पहले तो आएगा flying or aeroplane.
Flying airplane. A PIA airplane. Class, do you
Saudi
know?
airplane.
Yeah,
Saudi airplane.
Saudi airplane. Okay. Do you know class के what do we call the staff of airplane? क्या कहते हैं उसे?
Crew.
Crew.
Crew. An airplane
Crew.
crew. Okay.
Airplane crew.
Yeah. Yes. Yes, class. Any more chunks do you want to tell me? Because these are so simple words जो कि हम daily basis पे भी 10 दफ़ा use कर रहे होते हैं. Okay. Okay. So just like that, whatsoever words you are watching around you, you can make chunks with that to make the practice of your English. इस तरह से क्या होता है? When you make practice of your chunks, after that your mind is prepared and practiced for that, and whenever you are speaking, so it tell you unintentionally about those chunks on your tongue. ठीक है, तो इस तरह से you can do the practice of your thinking in English. उसके बाद एक और टिप है, वो है notice and learn adjacent pair. Adjacent pairs क्या होते हैं class? For example, if I'm gonna say how are you, what else I can say instead of this how are you? मुझे how are you नहीं बोलना, इसके अलावा कुछ और बोलना है. क्या कहूँ मैं? Yes class. Yes. What can we say instead of how are you?
How are you doing?
What about you?
What about you?
What's up?
Where are you?
What's up? Good.
Where are you?
Where are नहीं होगा. How are you का मतलब where are नहीं होता. That is something else. You can say how do you do. Okay. Or yes class, hurry up. Have you all done अफ्तारी? अभी तक अफ्तारी नहीं हुई आप लोगों की. You people are not answering me.
How's everything?
Ma'am, can we use how's you?
No. How are you?
How is everything?
What's
How is
going on?
everything? What's going on? Okay.
How goes it?
Okay. Now class, if you
How
are
it's
going to
going?
give invitation to somebody, let's suppose that you are having dinner tonight at your place. Okay, so what you are gonna say to the people you want to invite? Yes.
Today I want to invite you dinner at my home.
Okay, good.
I want to invite you for dinner
Very good.
at home.
Yes, and
I give you invitation for coming Saturday.
okay. You can use would here too. You can say, would you like to come to my place for dinner tonight? Will you be coming
Yes.
tonight to have dinner with
You
me?
are invited to be a guest.
Okay, good. So there are many, adjacent pairs you can use instead of only one word. यानी कि एक तरह से जो हम पूछते हैं उसकी जगह हम बहुत सारे how are you की जगह आप कह सकते हैं. अगर आप अपने दोस्तों से मिल रहे हैं तो आप कह सकते हैं hey what's up, how's going on. Okay, and you can say formally हम कह सकते हैं how do you do, how are you doing. Okay, so just like that, giving invitation में भी हम बहुत सारे different adjacent pairs use कर सकते हैं. Okay, when you are going to ask about a studying of somebody, so what you will be asking?
Studying?
हम पूछते हैं ना कि हाँ भाई कौन सी क्लास में पढ़ रही हो.
What's your qualification?
अब इससे पूछें इंग्लिश में. Yes.
English class do you study?
मुझे आवाज क्यों नहीं आ रही?
In which
In,
class?
in which class do
In
you
which
study?
class you are?
In which class? Okay.
You are.
Okay.
In which class? Right?
What do you study?
What do you study?
Tell
Yes,
me
class.
about your qualification.
Okay, you can also change the word and you can say what's your qualification.
Yes.
Okay.
You studying well?
Okay. Are you studying well? Because you are asking question, that's why you will have to put helping verb first. Okay, now class, you are going to ask about the job of a person. So what will you be asking? Yes.
What about your job?
What about your job?
I am interested in this job.
Okay.
Are you employed?
Are you employed? Okay. You can change the word of job too. You can say, what do you do for earning your livelihood? How do you earn your bread and butter? Okay. So these are all the idioms you can use there instead of job. और आप ये भी पूछ सकते हैं, what's your job? What do you do? Okay, so just like that. Okay, so class, we can use adjacent pair everywhere whatsoever we are talking, specifically in the common language. Okay, क्योंकि ये सब कुछ common language से ही नजर आ रहा है आपको. ठीक है, आगे चलते हैं. Another tip is to learn and use collocation. Collocations are just like the chunks जो कि अभी हमने देखे थे. इसमें क्या है, एक ही वर्ड है, उससे बहुत सारी collocations निकल रही हैं. Just like tea, तो you are saying black tea, green tea, Kashmiri tea we can say, ठीक है, and we can also say tea bag, cup of tea, half tea, sip करना tea को, slurp tea, वो जो एक आवाज निकाल के चाय नहीं पीते जो हमारे ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स जिस तरह से पीते थे, तो that is called the slurp tea. ठीक है, okay, so for example there is a cup of tea in front of you, okay, and you are thinking about that by looking at that cup of tea, and you are thinking, yeah, I feel like a cup of tea. It's a nice green tea. It's a sugar-free tea. It's my favorite cup of tea. My father gave me on my birthday. Okay, so just like that, you just need to think about anything. किसी भी चीज़ के बारे में सोचें, and after that you start making sentences just like that. Whenever you make your thinking strong, जब तक आपकी thinking strong नहीं होंगी, तब तक आपकी speaking strong नहीं होगी. You must make it like this. Okay, so that's why I've given you many tips related with that. Okay, another tip is that you will have to use the monolingual dictionary. Monolingual dictionary class क्या होती है, जिसमें English to English words होते हैं. इंग्लिश से उर्दू की तरफ नहीं जाते, बल्कि इंग्लिश को इंग्लिश में ही ट्रांसलेट करते हैं. ठीक है, लेट्स सपोज कि आपको स्प्लेंडेड वर्ड है, इसकी मीनिंग नहीं पता, लेकिन आपको एक्सीलेंट की पता है. अब आपने स्प्लेंडेड सर्च किया, एक्सीलेंट इसके मीनिंग निकले, सिनोनिम इसका निकला या इसकी मीनिंग निकली कि एक्सीलेंट है. अब आपको पता है एक्सीलेंट की मीनिंग स्प्लेंडेड है, स्प्लेंडेड की मीनिंग एक्सीलेंट है. नाउ यू हैव एडेड वन मोर वर्ड इन योर वोकैबुलरी, दैट इज स्प्लेंडेड. ठीक है, एंड you have linked with it with another English word. इसी तरह से the word is forecasting. इसको एक वर्ड में हम डिफाइन नहीं कर सकते, that's why there is a definition written. The process of using historical data to predict future events. ठीक है, of course this is used for weather forecasting mostly. weather के लिए यूज होता है. ठीक है, so you can explain the words, you know, in English to English. Okay, so just like that it will be also improving your thinking power. After that class, whatsoever you are you know, doing on a daily basis, you are keeping notes of something, either you are writing your diary, either you are, you know, writing something else. ठीक है, कुछ भी जो आप लिख रहे हो ऑन द डेली बेसिस, कीप योर नोट्स इन इंग्लिश, जितना पॉसिबल हो इंग्लिश में. अगर आप रेसिपीज लिखती हैं ना, जैसे गर्ल्स रेसिपीज लिखती हैं, सो ट्राई टू राइट द रेसिपीज इन इंग्लिश, ओके, so that you will be improving your English vocabulary and also the English sentences and grammar. Okay, so these are all the tips related with that. अब हम एक और चीज़ करने वाले हैं बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग, and that is tips to listen fast English. अब आप फास्ट इंग्लिश कैसे सुनेंगे और कैसे उसको समझेंगे? तो फास्ट इंग्लिश समझने के लिए सबसे पहली चीज़, यू विल हैव टू नॉट टू फोकस ऑन वर्ड्स पे कभी फोकस नहीं करें. अगर आप वर्ड्स को समझने लगेंगे तो आपको इंग्लिश समझ ही नहीं आएगी. ये लाइन देखिए, शुड वी गो एंड हैव अ गुड डे. अंग्रेज इसे ऐसे नहीं बोलेगा, अंग्रेज इसे बोलेगा शुड वी गो एंड हैव अ गुड डे. शुड भी नहीं बोला उसने पूरा, ठीक है, और शायद गुड डे समझ में आया होगा. क्या कहा उसने? शुड वी गो एंड हैव अ गुड डे. शुड वी गो एंड हैव अ गुड डे नहीं, तेजी से बोलना है, ठीक है. और जब आप इस तरह से you will be starting speaking like this, so you will be starting listening like this, the fast English, ठीक है. Okay, after that when native English speakers say this, excuse me, हम सब तो कहते हैं ना excuse me, no, वो कहते हैं excuse me, this, excuse me, not excuse, excuse me. Okay, now that's fine, इसको भी जल्दी से कहते हैं that's fine, that's fine. You have watched a video in the previous lectures जिसमें आपको American English से related कुछ चीज़ें मैंने दिखाई थी, ठीक है. That is a very good video. With that practice you can also improve your English listening too and speaking too. Okay, आगे चलते हैं क्लास. Contractions बहुत यूज होती हैं when you are listening to American language, तो वहाँ पर बहुत सारी contractions यूज होती हैं and you must know the contractions, after that you can understand them. Otherwise अगर आपको नहीं पता तो आप नहीं समझोगे, ठीक है. going to की जो contraction वो यूज करते हैं वो कहते हैं gonna. I'm gonna have a party tonight. Okay, I'm gonna have a party tonight. अब अगर आपको नहीं पता कि going to की short form है तो आप कहोगे क्या word है gonna. Okay, want to को कहेंगे wanna. I wanna have pizza. Okay, I wanna go outside, just like that, ठीक है. Okay, kind of की जो short form है उसको कहते हैं kinda. This kinda nice dress I have bought. ठीक है. will not को कहेंगे won't. ये want नहीं है, WANT वाला want नहीं है, ये है won't. I won't come tomorrow. I won't come tomorrow. ठीक है. Cannot की short form कहते हैं can't. In the American English, can't. In the British English, they will be using it like can't. Can't or can't. Okay, you will have to know that on which accent they are using, which pronunciation. After that, am not की short form कहेंगे ain't. I ain't coming to the iftar party because I'm angry. Okay, so just like that. So you can use these contractions in your speaking too, and you will have to do a lot of practice with that so that you will be improving your listening and speaking too. अब हम कुछ practice करने जा रहे हैं जिसमें आप लोगों को भी मज़ा आएगा और यहाँ पर आप भी practice करेंगे. First of all, you will have to think and just listen to me कि मैं किस तरह से इस passage को पढ़ूंगी, and after that you are going to read it. Okay, so that is, hey, what's up? I'm gonna grab some lunch real quick. You wanna come? It's gonna be a tight squeeze, but I think we can make it work. I'll swing by your place in like 5 minutes. Don't worry, we'll be back in time for your meeting. Let's roll. अब क्लास मुझे बताएं, अगर ये सामने नहीं लिखा हो तो आप लोगों को समझ आएगा? नहीं आएगा, because that is something very fast English. और यहाँ पर कुछ contractions बहुत यूज हुई हैं और यहाँ पर कुछ words भी बहुत अजीब यूज हुए हैं. जैसे let's go को कहा गया let's roll, ठीक है. Okay, so just like that you will have to do the practice of your fast English. Now who is going to speak it up?
Ma'am, can I speak?
Yes, of course.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
Hey, what's up? I am gonna grab some lunch really quick. You wanna come? It's gonna be a tight squeeze, but I think we can make it work. I will swing by your place in 5 minutes. Don't worry. We'll be back in time for your meeting. Let's roll.
Okay, very good. Okay, now class, who is going to read it?
Miss, may I?
Yes, Shanze.
Hey, what's up? I'm gonna grab some lunch real quick. You wanna come? It's gonna be a tight squeeze, but I think we can make it work. I'll swing by your place in like 5 minutes. Don't worry, we'll be back in your time for meeting. Let's roll.
Okay, very good. Next.
Can I, ma'am?
Yes.
I can. Hi, what's up? I'm gonna
Hey,
grab
what's up?
some real quick.
One
You
by
wanna
one.
come?
Okay, you can speak.
Gonna be tight squeeze, but I think we can make it work. We'll swing by your place in like 5 minutes. Don't worry, we'll be back in time for your meeting. Let's roll.
Okay. Next.
I'm going to speak.
Yes.
Hey, what's up? I'm gonna grab some lunch real quick. You wanna come? It's gonna be a tight squeeze, but I think we can make it work. I'll swing by your place in like 5 minutes. Don't worry, we'll be back in time for your meeting. Let's roll.
Okay. Yes, class, hurry up. Yes, yes. Umar.
Ma'am,
Hey, what's up? I'm gonna grab some lunch real quick. You wanna come? It's gonna be a tight space, but I think we can make it work. I'll swing by your place in like 5 minutes. Don't worry, we'll back in time for your meeting. Let's roll.
Okay.
Hey, what's up? I'm gonna.
Yes, please continue.
Hey, what's up? I'm gonna grab lunch real quick. You wanna come? It's going to be a tight squeeze, but I think we can make it. I'll swing by your place in like 5 minutes. Don't worry, we'll back in time for your meeting. Let's roll.
Okay.
Ma'am, may I try?
Yes, Laima.
Hey, what's up? I'm gonna grab some lunch real quick. You wanna come? It's gonna be a tight squeeze, but I think we can make it work. I'll swing by your place in like 5 minutes. Don't worry, I will back be in time for your meeting. Let's roll.
Good. Okay, class, there is another passage which is, something different like that. So you are going to read it too. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna head out soon to grab some lunch. I don't wanna be late for my meeting, so I'm gonna make it quick. I'll probably get a sandwich or something easy like that. Did you wanna come with? I can't wait to chow down. I'm starving. अच्छा क्लास गोना और वोना तो आप लोगों को बताया है. What about this word? This is the short form of priorly. Priorly का मतलब मैं पहले ये लेना चाहूंगी. Priorly को short कहते हैं prolly. I'll probably, okay. After that something में से G का sound हटा देते हैं, बिल्कुल भी नहीं बोलेंगे. आप कहेंगे something. Okay, just like that you are going to say this starving like starving. Okay. Didja. That means do you or did you. Both you can pronounce just like that. Okay. So you are going to speak it up like that. Okay. Who is going to do it first?
Miss, may I?
Yes, Farwa.
I am gonna head out soon to grab some lunch. I don't wanna be late for my meeting, so I am gonna make it quick. It probably get us a sandwich or something easy like that. Did you wanna come with? I can't wait to tune down. I am strong.
Okay.
May
Yes.
I am gonna head out soon to grab some lunch. I don't wanna be late for my meeting, so I am gonna make it quick. I I will probably get a sandwich or something easy like that. Did you wanna come with? I can't wait to chow down. I am starving.
Okay.
May
May
I
I?
speak?
Yes.
I am
Abby?
gonna head out soon to grab some lunch. I don't wanna be late for my meeting, so I am gonna make it quick. I will probably get a sandwich or something easy like that. Did ya want some wanna come with? I can't wait to chow down. I am starving.
Okay.
Good night, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes.
may I speak? I'm gonna
I
head
am
out soon.
gonna head out soon,
Abdul
grab
Munir,
some
please
lunch.
let Saira speak first, and after that you can speak. Okay? Because
Okay, okay.
she wanted that before. Yeah.
Yes,
I
yes.
am gonna head I'm gonna head out soon to grab some lunch. I don't wanna be late for my meeting, so I am gonna make it quick. I'll probably get a sandwich or something easy like that. Did you wanna come with? I can't wait to show
My
down. I am
screen not
starving.
clear.
I'm I'm gonna head out soon to grab some lunch. I don't wanna be late for my meeting, so I will probably get a sandwich or something easy like that. Did you wanna some with? I can't wait to show down. I am travel.
Okay.
Ma'am, may I
Yes.
please? I'm gonna head out soon to grab some lunch. I don't wanna be late for my meeting, so I'm gonna make it quick. I'll probably get a sandwich or something easy like that. Did you wanna come with? I can't wait to chow down. I'm starving.
Okay, class. So that is
Ma'am,
really
may I
good.
try?
Yes, yes, you can.
I am gonna head out soon to grab some lunch. I don't wanna be late for my meeting, so I'm gonna make it quick. I'll probably get a sandwich or something easy like that. Did you wanna come with me? Come with. I can't wait to chow down. I am starving.
Okay, class. So anybody else who want to do it?
Yes, ma'am, may I?
Yes, Shamsa.
Yes. I'm gonna head out soon to grab some lunch. I don't wanna be late for my meeting, so I'm gonna make it quick. I'll probably get a sandwich or something easy like that. Did you wanna come with? I can't wait to chow down. I'm starving. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, class. So we have some time. We can
Yeah.
discuss something. Yes. Yes. Who is speaking?
Grab some lunch.
Ali Hassan, I cannot listen to you properly. Your internet is not proper, I think.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Anyways, you can speak up. Okay. Okay, class. So today's assignment is just like that. I'm going to share this passage on the WhatsApp group, and you people are going to do the practice of that in that fast English style. Okay, and after that you will speak up in the video form and upload it on the FB group. Okay, so this is your assignment for today. Now, if you have any questions, we can discuss today, because we are going to have our last class on 13th March. Okay, after that we will not be meeting live just like that. We are meeting now. Okay, we will be connecting on the WhatsApp group, but you know, you can ask me the questions related with anything. And class, many of you were saying that you are not doing the practice due to Ramzan and you know the hectic routine. I know that is a good thing and that is a true thing. It happens with everybody. But when you have taken the admission in this course, you will have to give it a time. Otherwise, you will be forgetting everything. Because after, you know, day after tomorrow, it will be our last class. And after that, we will not be meeting like that in the live form. Okay? So you cannot, you know, do the proper practice. Okay? So that's why you will have to do the practice whatsoever I am telling you people. Or okay, yeah.
I have a question.
Yes, Sidra.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of this sentence? Trump said to Zelensky in a conversation, Obama give you the sheets, but I give you the javelins. What is the meaning of this sentence?
Can you please spell?
Ma'am, I listened. Obama give you the sheets, but I give you the javelins. Said by
Javelins.
Javelins.
I don't think this is the right word. It must be something else. You know, if the you know Bush is saying this, Trump is saying this, na? So if Trump is saying this, so he is talking about, I think something you know.
Ceasefire, about ceasefire.
Yeah. Yeah, so it is the word that is related with that. I will have to search it. But the word is not.
Obama give you the sheets, but I give you the javelins. Sorry, javelins.
डेवलिन्स हो सकता है तो जेवलिन को क्या हो सकता है
नहीं वर्ड सेम है मैंने बिल्कुल सही सुना और वैसे ही बोला जैसे उसने बोला
Javelins means I think authority. Other than that, it is related with the jewelry. Okay, if it is the right word. Other than that, हो सकता है कि word कुछ change हो. ठीक है, और अगर ये javelins ही है, so that means कि ये JEWELEGANCE वाला javelins है. That is linked with the jewelry. Okay.
But ma'am, what is the meaning of sheets here?
Sheets.
Sheets.
Shield means,
Obama give you the sheets.
I think he is talking about shield. That means कि he you know protect the things na. Obama didn't do the things whatever the Trump is doing right now. That's why he's saying this. Do you understand? If you know about the era of Obama, then I think you properly know this. What I am talking about. Okay, so that is something related with the protection. Obama did you know everything in a you know limited you know उसकी एक वो थी limits थी उसकी कुछ Trump की कोई limits नहीं है. Okay, that's why he is talking about like that. Okay, anything else, class? Do you want to ask me?
Both were talking about ceasefire.
Yeah, ma'am, I have a question.
Yeah.
मैं वो लास्ट असाइनमेंट जो थी रोल प्ले वाली इसमें हम कोई डायलॉग्स वगैरह मतलब जैसे कोई एक्टर है कोई रोल प्ले कर रहा है तो उसके डायलॉग्स वगैरह मतलब बोल सकते हैं इंग्लिश में उस पे असाइनमेंट बना सकते हैं.
Of course you can do it because I have given you the scenario. अब creativity आपके ऊपर depend करती है how you perform that assignment. Okay, it's up to you. You can create with the dialogues. You can just have the speech style or anything else you want to do.
Ma'am, can you Can you tell me the exact pronunciation of word preposition or preposition?
Preposition. I have
Preposition.
told you while teaching, because pra means before and position means place.
And word interrogative, yeah, interrogative.
Both the pronunciations are right. Interrogative and
Interrogative
interrogative. Both the rights. Okay.
and one thing else, adjective.
Yes.
Is it right word? Adjective.
Yeah,
Yes, it
adjective.
is right word. Adjective.
Adjective. Mhm.
Okay,
And
class. So I'm going to share this passage to the WhatsApp group, and there you will be doing the practice with that. Thank you so much from my side. Hopefully, you will be practicing everything. Okay. Now it's time to say goodbye to everybody. Allah Hafiz.